I wanted to do a Mother's Day vlog since it was my first Mother's Day, but that didn't happen. So this is what you get instead. I'm actually on my way to my grandma's because I told her that we can go have a little spa day. Well, not a spa day, but like get our nails done at the nail salon. And she was down. So Mother's Day was actually yesterday, and so today I'm just going to treat her, and she barely ever goes to pamper herself or get her nails done or anything, so I thought, why not take her out and let her just, you know, enjoy herself a little bit. Do you guys do anything sweet for your grandmas? Do you guys like pamper them, take them out? I definitely want to spend more time with my grandma and, you know, just be there for her a lot more because she is getting older, and you know, I just want to make more memories with her. So yeah, what do you guys do with your grandmas? Leave me some suggestions in the comments below. Maybe I'll try it out and, you know, just make more memories with her. خوب است. هر کدامشو که میخوای ایدگام داره اگه میخوای یا خوبش نیست ها؟ زری نباشه. Salam. Salam. So we're here at I literally got a flat tire. My back right side of my tire just got flat, and I have the gym in like an hour, so there's tons of traffic and we're just stuck with my grams. Show them your nails. No khunait. Got her nails. She got that pink color. All about that pink life. Oh, what happened? Why did my tire get flat? No, I think it just blew up because just too much pressure, I guess. It's so weird. Ah, Mother's Day. It was my first Mother's Day this year, and it was actually really beautiful and, you know, very, very special to me because it was just my first Mother's Day. And I know that they say, oh, you know, Mother's Day is every year, it should be every day, and blah, 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 blah. And I was actually one of those people that said that, like, mothers should be celebrated every day, which, don't get me wrong, I do strongly believe that mothers should be celebrated every day. But I don't know, when you have one day dedicated to all mothers, you just feel so special. Like, I was getting messages non-stop from everybody, like even like my clients from years ago. They would message me and they're like, oh, I heard you're a mother, happy Mother's Day. And I don't know, it just made me feel so good. So I wanted to go ahead and make this video because I just wanted to share with you guys what I got for Mother's Day. And yes, I did get this balloon for Mother's Day. My mom gave it to me. Yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys what I got for Mother's Day. I got these beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous flowers from my husband right here. He got me a nice bouquet of flowers right here. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a sucker when it comes to flowers. I love flowers. I love it, love it, love it. I don't know what it is about it, but it just makes me in a better mood. It just makes me happy. I love the smell of it. I love how colorful they are, and I just, you know, I just love it. It's just so beautiful. And then my mom got me these roses. They're also very beautiful. They're like this very beautiful lavender color, and white roses, pink roses. They're just gorgeous. So I have them displayed right here in my kitchen counter. And, you know, I have some flower food. So I just refill the water, put some flower food in there. I just like cut the stems. It's work, but it just looks so beautiful, and it makes my living room kitchen area look really nice. So now moving on to the actual gifts. My sister, she got me an amazing crystal bowl set right here. Yes, I actually like took these out in display so I could show you guys, but I'm definitely going to be putting these into good use. This is so gorgeous. Like, I can definitely see myself eating a salad out of this, even though these are serving dishes. I mean, this is for sure like a serving dish. This one, a serving dish, but this one, I could see myself eating a salad out of it. Even though it's like really heavy, they're just so pretty. I just cannot wait to use it. Thank you so much, sister. All right, moving on to the other gifts that I received. I have it in the bedroom. It's so good. All right, make some room. All right, guys, can you see me? Well, you don't really need to see me. You want to see what I got. So this is from my sister-in-law. She got me this for Mother's Day from Swarovski. I always have a hard time pronouncing that name. I don't know why, but I just do. And it's this really gorgeous bracelet. I was dying. Literally, no, I wasn't really dying, but I don't have any bracelet like this, guys. It's so pretty. Okay, right there. Do you guys see how pretty that is? It's so gorgeous. And it's like a rose gold. I don't know if this is, I don't know like how she even thought to get this for me, but man, am I so happy she did. Okay, guys, I had to take my watch out because it was just killing the whole like vibe, but look how pretty and gorgeous that bracelet looks. It's so beautiful. Thank you, sister-in-law. You the best. Then I also got this from my mom. I think it's money. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's see what I got. Mama Bear. She really licked it shut. Mom. Oh, 100 smackaroos from my mamas. Thanks, Mom. Okay, so these two gifts are from my husband, and well, let's see what they are. I actually know what they are, but any guesses? So my husband got me these. I don't know what is going on with my camera. Like, hello? It's just not focusing. What the hell? It just doesn't want to pick it up. I'm actually gonna wear it for you guys. I just love it. It's so pretty and feminine, and yeah, what do you guys think of it? I love it. I really do. This is such a weird thing because it looks like it would be diamonds, but it's not. It's white gold, and it has a gold layer of outline around it, and the earring itself right here, the band is gold as well. So yeah, these are the earrings that I got. Not bad, not bad. By the way, I got to do a video on these pictures. That's like another video, but my last gift for Mother's Day, my husband actually shocked me. He got me this beautiful gold necklace. Just so in love with it, guys. Wait till you see it. All right, it's right here. It's this really beautiful gold necklace. Just love it. It's very simple. It's very elegant. Like, you could wear this on a daily, or you can wear it out for a date night, and it's just gorgeous. It has little silver and gold detailing. Like these right here, it has little diamonds in it. As you guys can see, it has little diamonds in it, and then it becomes all gold. But these ones have diamonds in it, as you can see. It's just so beautiful, and I just love it. I think I'm gonna wear it right now so I could show you guys what it looks like. Here it is. Could you guys see that? So yeah, I can totally see myself like rocking this every day, or even you know, on a special event. It just looks so versatile, guys, and so elegant, so classy. I just love it. That is basically it for this video. Comment down below what you got for Mother's Day. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notifications bell if you haven't already to stay up to date with all my new content. You know, the random ones, the fun ones. I have fashion, health, lifestyle, all that good stuff. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.